Storm Bora struck Greece on November 30th, bringing heavy rain, gale-force winds, and snowstorms. The aftermath was catastrophic. 3 people lost their lives, homes and roads were destroyed. On the island of Rhodes, over 7.5 inches of rain fell in some areas within 24 hours, causing flash floods. The water caused extensive damage to the road network, making many routes impassable. Authorities evacuated dozens of residents and closed schools. One of the hardest-hit areas on Rhodes was the popular resort of Faliraki, where severe flooding destroyed a bridge, damaged homes and coastal shops, and caused deep cracks in the ground. The governor of the South Aegean region described the situation as devastating and deeply shocking, noting that such rainfall levels had never been recorded here before.
Εκεί γίνεται μια προσπάθεια να κλείσουν οι δρόμοι. Η στάθμη του νερού έχει ανέβει πάρα πολύ. Δυστυχώς, πάνω που...
Another island, Lemnos, also suffered significant damage. 2 people died as a result of the storm, and flooding caused major losses to agricultural land vital to the region's economy. Roads, water supply, and electrical infrastructure were damaged, and many homes were inundated.
Εκεί εγκλωβίστηκε ένας άνθρωπος.
The storm also impacted mainland Greece.
Εκεί, το σκάλα, δες τα σκαλιά πάνω, είναι εδώ τα πόντους νερό.
In central Macedonia, intense rainstorms left roads covered in rocks and mud. In Thessaloniki, strong winds uprooted trees that damaged buildings and vehicles. A cargo ship docked in the port of Thessaloniki was swept away by strong winds, causing a collision with another vessel and damaging both. In central Greece, tunnels in Tempe were flooded, halting train services. Northern regions faced continuous snowfalls. In the areas of Florina and Castoria, roads became nearly impassable, with some sections requiring chains for vehicles. Mountainous regions experience power outages, and temperatures dropped to 36 degrees Fahrenheit on Saturday. Pavlos Marinakis, a Greek government representative, stated, "Storm Bora is yet another reminder that our understanding of natural phenomena no longer reflects reality." Indeed, disasters are becoming far more powerful and frequent than climate models predicted. This suggests that these models are missing something critical, which is causing the chaotic instability in the climate.
Όσο πιο αριστερά μπορείς.
Καλά, καλά πήγε αυτό. Σχεδόν τίποτα. Εδώ είναι μας.
At the COP16 conference, independent scientists presented years of research shedding light on these mysterious factors. They also proposed a technological solution that could help stabilize the planet's climate.
Olha o vidro daí, quebrou tudo, ó.
Detailed information can be found in the documentary Climate Crisis and Ocean Pollution: Global Challenges and Solutions.